Hi everyone, Belinda here from Belinda's DIYs. I'm glad that you stopped by my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. So I'm ready to start decorating for spring and Easter, and so now my living room is bare. I've taken off all my Valentine decorations, and now it's time for some spring and Easter decorations. So if you want to see me decorate my living room, then please continue watching. Now I'm going to be using a lot of Dollar Tree home decor. Now they have tons of things right now. They have beautiful wall decor that you can just hang up on your walls just as is. You really don't have to do anything to them. So if you want to see how I decorate my mantle, and I also have this tree right back here. This is a silver skinny tree. I decorated this with some Valentine items, and now I took down all the decorations, and now I'm going to be putting some spring and Easter decor. So I'm going to be decorating it. I moved it from where it originally was, and I put it next to my fireplace just because I like to move things around. So let's go ahead and get started. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so. You'll see a lot of home decor, DIYs, and also tap on that bell icon so that you can be notified every time that I upload a new video. Okay, so let's get started. This is just going to be an easygoing decorate with me. I'm gonna put some soft, fun music and just watch me decorate. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started right now. For my fireplace, I'll be using some of these Dollar Tree amaranthine. found this $5 cake stand at Target in the dollar spot. Instead of using this as a cake stand, I'm gonna add some greenery, some eggs, and a bunny. Over in the plus section at Dollar Tree, they have this 2-tier tray. So I'm gonna be using this in this table here. This is one of my DIYs that I did a while back. I can go ahead and link the video of those bunny plates down below in the description box. These are some Dollar Tree wood beads. Well, that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. That really helps my channel. You have yourself a blessed day, and I will see you on my next video. So bye-bye and God bless.